New wheels and tires on your truck? That goes without saying. Now you need a lift. The Fab Tech 3-inch lift kit will get your truck right where you need it. This 3-inch Ram lift kit is designed to provide both superior ride quality and the clearance you need to run 35-inch tires. Whether you're on or off-road, this kit gives a smooth ride. The factory Ram upper control arm is made of plastic with a light-duty ball joint. Fab Tech knows how you're going to use your truck. Their upper control arms are constructed of tubular steel paired with large, robust ball joints that provide exceptional strength to the suspension. Fab Tech's engineers put a lot of effort into making sure this kit performs flawlessly. They've tested it extensively, ensuring there's no suspension binding throughout the travel and steering operation. As for the rear suspension, it receives a coil spring spacer which helps keep your vehicle's factory stance intact without affecting any of the ride quality. It's all about finding that perfect balance. The included stealth shocks are a sealed monotube shock equipped with a nitrocarb piston rod for corrosion resistance and rock chip resistance.